In this video, I'll show you how you can either turn on or turn off professional mode on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, go to your profile. Now tap on these three dots on the right side of edit profile. On the list, you can find turn on professional mode at the bottom of these options. Tap on it, then select turn on. Then tap on continue. As you do that, you can see that the professional mode has been turned on. There are various new options that you can find in the profile, such as promote, see dashboard, identifying your profile as a digital creator, and so on. Now in order to turn off professional mode, tap on the three dots once again. Then in the list you will find turn professional mode off option. Tap on it, then tap on continue. Then after, confirm your action by tapping on turn off. Now when you go back to your profile, you will find that the professional mode has been turned off. So in this way you can easily turn on or turn off professional mode in Facebook. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.